سلام، من مجید هستم. I had a lot of messages during these years to make a lesson about this word, this common word in Persian, دیگه or standard دیگر. It has different meanings or functions in Persian. Let's go through examples to see each meaning and function of this word. هفته دیگه برمیگردم. I will be back next week. So هفته دیگه next week. دفعه دیگه تو حساب کن. Next time you pay. دفعه دیگه next time. یه ساعت دیگه میرسیم. We will arrive in 1 hour. یک ساعت دیگه means in 1 hour, which means also in next 1 hour. آلبوم جدیدش سال دیگه منتشر میشه. His or her album will be released next year. سال دیگه next year. So here we have another meaning of dige, which is other or another or more, extra, something like that. یکی دیگه بهم بده. Give me another one or give me one more. So it can be you're asking to change something. Give me another one, not this one, another one. Or you're asking for one more of something. For example, a drink or another piece of pizza or something. For both, we can say یکی دیگه بهم بده. بیا یه فیلم دیگه ببینیم. این خیلی خسته کننده است. Let's watch another movie. This is so boring. This film that we're watching now is boring. یه فیلم دیگه. Another movie. Here we have یه دیگه, which is another. یه گوشواره رو پیدا کردم. اون یکی دیگه کجاست؟ I found one earring. Where is the other one? اون یکی دیگه, the other one. این رو بگیر. مدل های دیگه گرونترند. Take this one. Other models are more expensive. مدل های دیگه, other models. ما یک شب دیگه میمونیم. We will stay one more night, one extra night, another night. یک شب دیگه, one more night or another night. پاسپورت من 2 سال دیگه اعتبار داره. My passport is valid for another 2 years. اعتبار means validity. So a literal translation is پاسپورت من, my passport, has a validity of 2 years, another 2 years, or 2 more years. یه بار دیگه سعی کن. Try one more time, another time, or an extra time. Or we can also say try again. راه دیگه‌ای نداری. You have no other way, or you don't have another way. Other way or another way, راه دیگه. Here we have the meaning else for دیگه. دیگه چی میخوای؟ What else do you want? دیگه چی؟ What else? کیف من نیست. مال یکی دیگه است. This is not my bag. It belongs to someone else. I had a lesson about possession. If you have not watched the lesson, you can find the link here. So someone else, یکی دیگه. If you'd like to support me and if you'd like to have extra content like listening practice exercises, quizzes, more lessons, vocabulary exercises, join my Patreon. دیروز همبرگر خوردیم. بیا یه چیز دیگه سفارش بدیم. Yesterday we had hamburgers or we ate hamburgers. Let's order something else. Something else, یه چیز دیگه. دیگه چی نیاز داریم؟ What else do we need? منظورم چیز دیگه‌ای بود. I meant something else. دیگه in the meaning of anymore. دیگه نمیتونم ادامه بدم. I can't continue anymore. دیگه دوستم نداره. He or she doesn't love me anymore. دیگه نمیتونم کمکت کنم. I can't help you anymore. دیگه اونجا زندگی نمیکنه. He or she doesn't live there anymore. دیگه بهم اعتماد نداری؟ Don't you trust me anymore? این گوشی دیگه به درد نمیخوره. باید عوضش کنم. This phone, this mobile phone is not useful anymore. I have to change it. به درد نمیخوره means it's good for nothing. It's not useful anymore. It's not good anymore. قبلا خیلی فست فود دوست داشتم ولی دیگه نمیتونم بخورم. I used to like fast food but I can't eat it anymore. دیگه نمیتونم بخورم. Here we have one of the most popular, most common usages of dige, which is just a function. It's just an emphasizer. It emphasizes the sentence we are saying. Let's see the examples. این دیگه چیه؟ این دیگه چیه؟ It simply means what is this? We can simply say این چیه? What is this? When we say این دیگه چیه, it adds to our surprise or it emphasizes our question. Maybe in English we can say what on earth, what the hell is this? This is another common usage of dige after an imperative verb. بده دیگه. Give me. It simply means give me. بگو دیگه. Tell me then. Come on, tell me. پاشو دیگه. Come on, get up. برو دیگه. Go, just go. Come on, go. بخور دیگه. Come on, eat. As I said, you can just say all these without dige. But many people use dige to add emphasis to their sentence. این دیگه آخرین باره. یادت باشه. This is the last time. Remember. So you can say این آخرین باره. This is the last time. But we use dige to emphasize. این دیگه آخرین باره. دیگه نمیدونم چی میشه. I don't know what will happen. نمیدونم چی میشه. I don't know what will happen. دیگه نمیدونم چی میشه. So it means I have no idea what will happen. دیگه دیر شده. It is too late, or it's already late. It's already too late. You can say دیر شده, it's late. دیگه دیر شده, it's already too late. دیگه زندگی همینه دیگه. Here I have two دیگه. You can use one or you can delete both. But some people use both here. دیگه زندگی همینه دیگه. That's life. For this function, you can use it with hundreds of sentences in Persian. It's very, very common, as I said.